Welcome back to another tutorial. I hope you guys are all having a blessed day. Today I thought we would play with some greens. I've really been into greens lately again, and I just love how they look on my green eyes. And also I thought we would play with some Profusion palettes that aren't new. I am so looking forward to getting my hands on the Profusion Kaleidoscope palette, but unfortunately Walmart doesn't ship it to your house and you have to only buy it in the store. Yeah, because of the situations at hand now, we will not be going into Walmart anytime soon. That being said, hopefully I can get my hands on it sometime in the future. But we've already primed our lids with Milani eyeshadow primer. I have powder to catch fallout, and then I'm using this lime green from the SunKissed palette. The names of these eyeshadows will be in the description box in the product list, and I'm just taking on a super fluffy brush and I'm blending that in the crease, from the crease to the brow bone area. Now in Wanderlust, I'm going to be taking the shade Jade, and I'm going to be putting that in the outer corner. And a lot of this look is shimmery, especially the lid portion of this, but I don't care. I love how this came together. The eyeshadows blend so easily together. I just really love Profusion. I'm putting this on a pencil brush also, and I'm pressing it and tapping it into the outer corner, and I'm going to build that up a bit before we start any other shades and any more blending process. Basically right now we are placing our shades and no blending. Just placing them. They look harsh, they look out of order, placing them. Hypnotic from Wanderlust palette, slightly lighter green. This is going right next to the outer corner color. And I am just kind of pressing that also and dragging it onto the center of my lid. And as we go, I'm kind of blending that in with the outer corner green, but because they're of the same texture, they're going to blend very, very easily. And so we're just placing that, building that up, and once again, no extensive blending because we're going to work on that later. Now I'm taking the WetnWild Photofcus concealer and I'm kind of cutting the crease a little bit in this area, but just because I don't want the lightest shade we're going to use to get kind of polluted with the other shades, so just basically using that as a secondary base, like always. And this shade is also from Wanderlust, and it's Majesty. It's a very beautiful, light, minty golden green. It's so pretty. It's absolutely stunning shade. I use this one actually quite a bit in the past as well. So I'm placing that on the inner corner, just where you saw that I placed the concealer at. Once again, placing shade, no blending. Now we're going to start our blending process. So we're going to take the crease shade that we used and buff that against all the edges of the shades, and then we're going to go in between the rest of the shades and blend them together. And because once again they're all like texture, they're all shimmery on the lid, they're going to blend together so seamlessly. And we're going to be adding shade in as we go as well. Now none of the shimmery shades went much higher than my orbital bone, and we're just going to keep buffing those line in between the crease and the lid shades and reapply shade and just blend as we go. So I'd like to know, what have you guys been doing at home? I'm anticipating the next Walking Dead episode. Really bummed about the final episode though. This is from SunKissed and it's the vanilla shade in the highlight. It's matte, I'm just using that as a brow bone highlight. So we're going to place it, blend that down, also take the green blending brush and buff those two, brow bone highlight and the crease color, just to mesh them and become ombre. And on Tuesdays we've been watching the challenge Total Madness, so that's awesome. And let's see, what else? Doing lots of cleaning. Just going through things, stuff like that, just making the most out of my time. Been playing outside with Connor on these very beautiful days, staying out of town. We're bringing that darkest shade that I used in the outer corner to the lower lash line, and I'm going to blend in a bit of the green matte crease shade, the lime shade we used, wiping away any kind of fallout. And that's NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk, applying that in the inner corner. Yes, I've been out 2 times in the past month only to grab essentials at the Dollar General. I really won't travel much further than that. I did have to go to the bank, and because the lobbies aren't open, we sit in a bank car line for like 30 minutes of literally like 30 cars. I'm not even kidding. Like, it was crazy insane. But so our world has definitely been turned upside down. And yeah, you guys, stay home, stay safe, stay out of harm's way unless you absolutely have to go out. We'll be needing to go out to get groceries soon. Connor hasn't left the house in quite a while. Won't be anytime soon either. But yeah, so I did eyeliners. Gotta keep my baby safe. And you guys, we done mascara, our eyeliner, LaColors lip gloss, and basically that's the finished look. There's nothing else to it. Don't you just love these earrings too? I do. They're so pretty. I found them in my closet. Setting spray, and we're literally done with this look. And yes, so if I can in the future get my hands on the Kaleidoscope palette from Profusion, I will definitely be purchasing that, so stay tuned. And Connor also, he lost 3 teeth in 1 week, and I'm still having to wait for the stuff I ordered in for that, because at the moment they're prioritizing the essential orders. So because it wasn't essential, we have to wait till April the 6th for it to get shipped. This video will probably be up after that. I was able to go and get some essentials at the Dollar General, masked up, gloves, glasses, the whole nine, just to be safe, and finished his Easter stuff, so that's exciting. And yeah, that's the finished look. I thought we'd have a little chatty chat too. And I thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed, stay humble, you guys. Be grateful. Check the description box for additional links, as well as a product list and all that good stuff. What's my nails? Thank you guys so very much for watching.